Hi guys! So we're here now sa Vancouver, Canada. Nandito kami ngayon sa Wrestler of the famous gondola ride. So bahaba pa lang 30 minutes siguro yung I forgot na, mga 30 minutes ang ride papunta sa taas. Yan guys. So si Jolly nandun, ayos pa niya yung mga tickets namin. So yun guys, second time na namin ni Jolly dito and now kasama yung mga family dito. Yan. We're so excited dito sa aming gondola ride. Before, yung pumunta kami to last year, March, birthday yun ni Jolly. Very, tawag doon, very malamig. Ngayon naman, we'll see, tingnan namin sa taas kung super lamig pa rin. Pero before, ang grabe ang snow. Ngayon, summer na summer dito sa Canada. So, it's a perfect time to pupunta dito din. And guys, samahan nyo kami sa aming travel vlog. Bye! Yan. Ito na yung gondola ride. Yay! Ready? Ready guys?
I'm ready!
Ready? Yeah. Let's go!
Lead the way. Lead the
Yeah.
Alright.
Sea to sky gondola.
Can I go on?
Hop, hop, hop.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
No, you one is better. You just take it.
Yeah.
There you go. Alright. The seats are warm.
I know.
It's warm.
Good. It's
Yeah.
it's almost done.
Yeah. Picture, picture, picture.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh.
Ready, 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 ready.
Are you
Ready.
stand up? Are you scared?
No, bro.
Whoa!
Whoa. Oh, fast.
Yeah!
Ah.
Woo! Yeah. Kayo, kayo, kayo. Maganda, maganda.
Ah, ah,
You want to share? Hey! Come on now.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, smile! Smile! Wait, smile!
It's worth it,
Yeah,
huh?
it's worth it, di ba?
Let me take a
Ang
picture of you.
ganda.
It's in the show.
Gondola. Wow,
Hey,
grabe.
come over next to me or you want to stay there?
Oh my god. What do you want to do?
Anything.
Ang ganda ng ano. Kaya. Maganda. Di ba? Wow. Oh, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Sige. Ang ganda. Wow.
It's right there.
This is awesome. I mean, I don't know. This is just, I don't know, magical.
Wow.
It is.
Yes.
I really hope these clouds are very cool. It's gonna be cold up here. But my ears are popping. Yeah. I don't know. Oh.
Sasakay ka dyan?
Hindi, yung mga service.
No.
Siguro.
What is that?
Would you go there?
Yun guys, dito kami sa bridge. Woo! Yan. Ang haba namang bridge na to. Wait lang guys. Whew. No. Baka mahulog ko yung mic. London. Say hi. Oops. Oh. Oops. Baka mahulog ko tong mic talaga. Okay. Lapit na tayo, London. We're here na. Almost. Oh. Malapit na kami. Pero ba't ito ang view? Look. Go na kayo. Go kayo. Go, come on. Go. Yan yung view, guys. Ang ganda. Oh my God. Dito yung kapihan. Yan, may restaurant dyan. Ang ganda. Parang nanginginig na ako, guys. Nanginginig na ako sa takot. Yan, na-vlog ko na to before eh. Yung may maraming snow. Ngayon, wala nang snow. Wow, nice. Guys, ang view guys. We made it! Ang ganda. Ay guys, so ngayon guys, natapos na namin na nakapag-picture dito. And now, ito na. Babalik na kami. Oh my God. Yan. Yan.
My head is right.
Eating. Kain muna tayo. Gutom na gutom na. Masarap dito Masarap ditong magdala ng danggit. At kakamayan mo. Magandang view kasi Ito.
How about wave?
Ayan yung view namin. Ito din ang wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Di ba mawiti din?
Pwede na.
Eating. Papaitan. Sarap dito. Maga.
Comes the airplane.
Hi guys! So yun, katapos lang namin naglikot-ikot
Kumain.
at kumain pa. Yeah. French fries. Pero guys, grabe, sobrang hindi namin ma-explain kung ano yung ano yung narating namin. Hindi namin ma-explain yung view guys dito. Siguro maganda din sa video pero hindi
Maganda kahit summer at saka winter. Winter nung first namin dito, may snow. Pero maganda pa rin yung view. Ganda.
diba?
Very relaxed.
At saka iba din yung ganda ng summer dito pero mas more maganda pa. Mas more pa na maganda.
Tapos more.
Oo. Mas more na maganda pa dito kung may snow. So magical. But ngayon, pwede kaming dito sa labas.
Ay no. Last time nandito kami. Sandali lang kami dito.
Sandali
Balik
lang.
na naman doon.
Kasi sobrang lamig. At saka as you can see there, kung di ko alam kung makita nyo to. Meron ding snow cap. Snow cap ang tawag din sa.
Ha?
Snow cap ang tawag.
Ano bang snow cap? May sombrero gano'n?
Kasi ang snow cap, para ding may ice cream. Ice cream cup. So, yan. Kaya wala lang. Ito na kami, guys.
Bye-bye. Bababa na kami.
Pababa kami ngayon.
Falls.
Yeah, pupunta kami na falls ngayon. So yun guys, pababa na kami. So, ang haba ng line. Yan guys, pababa na kami and we're going sa isang touristy falls daw Yan. May malapit na falls daw dito. We'll see. Yeah.
Are you going to say, get the middle.
He hit his knee yesterday. When you guys left,
Pababa na naman kami guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, say bye-bye.
Bye!
I'd like to leave the door open.
oh, I can feel the air. Oh, it's up there. There's air.
Oh!
You stand up.
Ganda.
Bye.
Imagine it's like a road.
Ang ganda guys. Parang may twilight.
Say my bye.
Twilight. Yes.
Kahawa.
At saka meron ding nag-ano doon sa
Where
baba.
are we going?
Meron ding nag-trail sa
Which
baba.
way are we going next?
Magkapit bahay.
Hello.
Ganda.
You like it? Para tayong mic. Asan ba yung... Dito ba?
hiking.
Ha? So guys, pababa na kami. And pakita mo yung view. Kung gaano ka steep.
guys.
Ganyan
viewers.
yung steep. Pero pag winter, mas maganda yung view kasi may mga white snow dyan o sa baba. Pero okay din. It's a nice view pa rin. So, later, pupunta na kami ngayon sa falls. Hi.
Very beautiful. Very tree. Very a lot of tree.
What do you mean tree?
I don't know.
Is tree even a word?
It's not what I meant. A lot of tree.
Okay lang din. Now your turn. What do you think? That's how you do the song.
Okay, go.
Go.
Kind of beautiful, but not beautiful enough.
Why not?
No birds.
No bird. I saw one.
Birds
Blue.
can't fly this high anymore.
Yeah, they cannot reach this altitude anymore.
Yes, they can.
Watch.
What do you mean?
Oh my.
Oh, remember when we
This is
going back
very
up? It was
scary.
steep.
This is very, very scary.
No, it's not.
It's not?
Did we stop? Here
Oh
we go.
my god!
You don't even feel it because it's still the same. It's not like
Yeah,
you're like
guys.
this.
Mas nakakatakot na yung pakyat eh.
Scary naman. Tingnan lang.
That's scary. Oh my gosh.
It's so scary. Stop taking them off.
Guys. Oh my.
Look. Oh.
What?
Grabe talaga, no?
Oh my god.
Oh, nandun lang yung parking natin, oh.
Oh, it's like the really steep
Yeah.
stage.
Yeah.
Slowing.
May video.
Oh my gosh.
Huh?
Video ka doon, scary.
May video?
Hello.
Oo. Tingnan mo, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo, tingnan mo.
Now look.
Oh!
Wow.
Wow! Wow!
Hey,
Shoot!
Look at this, mahal. Look at this. Mahal, look.
I think someone is scared again. Like,
Kasi guys, nandun pa yung ano natin. Oh my! Nandun pa yung...
Oh my God, now we're
Shit,
stopping. Oh my God, now we're stopping.
Naiihi ako tuloy. As you can see guys, nandun yung ano, parking. Ang layo pa.
Ears, man.
why you like that?
Swallow.
The trees are moving. Look.
The wind.
No, but not all though. This is part only.
What the?
The trees.
Oh, how are they moving?
Yeah.
It's probably the wind. I see a lot of.
Shoot.
It's probably.
So yun guys, dito lang nagtatapos yung gondola ride namin. Very, very fun at saka wow. Very wow talaga. It's recommended dito talaga na pupunta kayo. As you know, maganda yung view, maganda din yung weather. August pa ngayon, summer dito sa Vancouver, Canada. And yun guys. So we'll see. Let's go na sa falls. Falls, right? Punta tayo sa falls. Ito ka lang, sa falls.
Shannon Falls.
Yeah.
Is that plugged in?
Okay, guys, it was a very good experience. You see a lot of mountains, trees, and we ate some food. It was very yummy. All right.
Anyone? It's worth it?
Yeah. I like 100%.
Wow. You.
Right alone.
Yeah.
You. How many percent? Hello. So we're here na sa Squamish Canyon. Here. Ha? So ilang ano? Ilang oras? Ilang oras ba? 8 minutes daw yung pa-walk. Ha? May paano pa pala?
Pero pa lang naman yung mga...
So guys, balik kami guys kasi ano. Tignan nyo na lang, igagrab ko na lang sa Google yung ano guys. Yung picture ko. may bayad guys dito guys. I don't know if it's worth it, pero recommended din namin sa inyo to dito guys. Kung naghahanap kayo ng ng pasyalan. May bayad guys sa mga almost $40 each ang bayad. O, sige, tignan mo muna sa
36.
30 something. Yeah.
30 bucks.
30.
Mas pang ice cream na lang yon. Yan. Kung Mariah Cristina Falls pa lang to, why not? So yan guys, dito yung entrance ng Squamish. Yeah, pabalik na kami ng ng downtown Vancouver. Burn lang namin yung calories namin today. Ha?
You don't know.
Mga sili? Mga sili? Oh, parang mga sili yan
Hi guys! Tapos na ang aming today's video.
Yes.
Pauwi na. Actually, no. Pabalik naman sa downtown Vancouver. And kakain ng Tim Hortons.
Yeah, yun yung pinakamasarap na
What are those?
what is that? Oh, spider?
Spider.
May nakita kaming Anyway guys,
So
yun.
yun. Sige na.
So,
Babush.
masyal muna kami to close the closing song. Bye-bye guys. See you sa next vlog.